Yeah. They trying to catch me, they wanna be me, yeah.
Day 3, birthday's tomorrow, but tonight is the night for the event of the party. My boy Musa's birthday is today, my birthday is the next day, tomorrow. And so we're gonna be doing a joint birthday party. We're gonna go to the restaurant, that's the plan for now. And then we're gonna improvise so what's gonna happen later tonight. So we're still setting up the plans. I'll let you know what's happening and I'll obviously take you guys along with me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right now, I gotta go get my COVID vaccine passport. So that's what I'm doing. I got my backpack, I got all my stuff in the back. So I'll see you guys in a few.
Tonight, my nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty, j'ai fait trop la fête tonight. Flag on the
Fly JV birthday mode. Got the suit out, man. You already know if you're invited to the party, going to the cake restaurant, going with my boys. My man Mansour Talk. Holding the camera. So yo, let's go, let's do it. I get going, bro. Alright, bet. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Uber mode. Uber mode. Yo, you're too black, bro. Uber mode.
I'm on the moon, I'm going ghost, yeah. They trying to catch me, they wanna be me, yeah. I'm on the moon.
Fit is here. Vas-y, vas-y. Fresh cuts. Fly JV gang.
Avant la réservation.
Ouais, c'est ça. Yo, Musa, we the birthday boys today, bro. What you gotta say?
We're here, bro.
We're here.
You got shit to say.
You got nothing to say? It's your birthday today, my birthday is tomorrow. It's my birthday at midnight. We out here, man. My boy, engineer, working on this thing. The team is out here, man.
The team is complete.
Let's get it, man.
She kick it with me tonight. I got the Henny, the money, the honey. We got all we need tonight. Track la team tonight. Pas de crib tonight. She chill in the crib tonight. My nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty. J'ai fait trop la fête tonight. Flaque on the long comb, peu comme un fantôme. I'm in a rave. They trying to catch me, they wanna be me. I'm on the moon, I'm going ghost, yeah. They trying to catch me, they wanna be me.
We out here, man. Cheers. Alright. Champagne mode, birthday mode, bread mode, yeah. Si, si.
C'était pas comme ça dans les States.
Let's go. Alright. Sisi. Mexican. Boom. Yes, sir. Merci, merci. Ah yeah. Steak mode, steak mode.
Il a dit, non, non. Faites attention, mon.
C'est vrai, on se connaît plus longtemps, les gars.
Si, si. More life, bro. Hey. Laisse-moi mon gâteau, toi. Avec ton petit gâteau, là.
Il a fait oh merde.
Il m'a dit, ah, come on.
What's up, YouTube? YouTube, man. The brand new Fly JV merch is out now. I just got my first sample package, so let's unbox it right now. I can show you the good stuff that's out here right now. But boom, you got the Fly JV tank top. Oh, that's not the tank top actually, my bad. Long sleeve Fly JV with the new logo. Amazing. Look at the render. Dope. Fire. That's the brand new logo right here. The Fly JV hoodie. Boom, boom. Get yours right now. The quality is a lot better than it used to be, so definitely get yours today, bro. Fly JV hoodies. Boom. It's in stock for a limited time only, my friends. Get yours. Get yours. Get yours. That's another hoodie. JV hoodies, man. You got the masks. You got the tank tops. You got the t-shirts. You got the cups. You got cups. Fly JV cups, man. You got everything you need. Get on the website, links in the description down below, and it's actually on the merch stuff right here below this video. So get your merch right now, man. Fly JV forever. You already know this is the move. Boom. Say hi to the vlog. Yes, sir. It's my boy Mike. How long I known you, bro?
We're chilling. You've known me for like almost 20 years. We're 20 years boys, I guess.
I guess, bro. Anyway, today's a studio vlog. Studio mode. Got a studio session booked in 30 minutes. I'm gonna take an Uber, get there, and get on with the session with my boy. Let's get it done. I want this. I'm in love with this scooter JV.
It's 1.2K, so.
Play the clip.
Alright, we got JV over here. It's gonna go on the scoot.
Scooter JV.
Yeah.
1.2K. You bought this with crypto?
Yeah, 100%.
Get in, bro. Let's get in. 100% crypto. Crypto money.
$9.
Yes, sir.
80 kilometers a day.
Mm-hmm. Afro JV in the building. Got the beats. You know, the Afro JV, you already know. Afro JV in the booth, you already know. Out here making tunes, man. Yes, sir. Where the magic happens, man. What midget was?
Shut the up.
Just kidding, bro. Yeah, man. That's where the magic happens.
Hey,
bro.
top people, they get confident too much.
They do get confidence.
Too much confidence.
Are they born with confidence?
Hey, too much confidence. Huh? You gotta put that confidence in the instrumental. Huh?
Confidence.
You gotta put the confidence.
$1 million.
$1 million confidence.
$1 million confidence.
Hey, you see the guy, eh? Confidence. Huh? Confidence.
Je suis prêt, man.
Ça donne un peu d'énergie. Moi aussi, je vais aller pécho ça.
Singer JV, bro.
Damn. Foundation.
Day and night on my foundation. Working on my foundation. Day and night on my foundation.
Plus deep.
Working on my foundation. Day and night.
Yeah. Nice. Deep. Go bring that deepness. Hey.
C'est ça ou bien?
Hey. Working on my foundation.
Working on my foundation.
Hey, y'a de pas l'écouteur, hein?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Working on my foundation.
Working on my foundation, day and night on my foundation. Working on my foundation, they don't love us by association. Working on my foundation, from the bottom to the top is the foundation. Is the foundation, day and night on my
Ça garde
foundation.
mon lèvre pour construire mon empire. Si on foire au premier et ça recommence dans le pire des cas. Pas stress, j'ai la précision dans le tir. Que des vrais autour de moi, j'ai pas le temps pour tous les petits débats.
I'm like party next door there.
Vite fait, hein?
Party next door?
Yeah, I think I remember.
Foundation, working on my foundation, they don't love us by association. Working on my foundation, from the bottom to the foundation. Working on my foundation, they don't grinding out and doubling, get to the next day we were shuffling. I swear some of these days they be puzzling. Got them out of focus, should be deafening. Keep moving, striving, changing. Only ever look back for the lessons. When it's all said and done, it's a blessing. Yeah, yeah.
Studio session wrapped up for the day with my boy Sayo in the building. We made a banger. Yes, sir. Singer JV in the building. Yeah, we out, bro.